My new book, Ruthless Equity, deals with equity in practice. Now, I'm very happy that equity is on the tip of everyone's tongue these days. What I'm not happy with is how ephemeral it's become and how theoretical it is. See, I move equity from your head to your hands, and that's the problem. I hear too many people bragging about all the anti-racist books that they've read and all the white supremacy books they read, but then you got kids learning below grade level all year long. That, sir, is an equity problem. That's a social justice problem. We're reserving the most innovative, fun, exciting, and provocative instruction for a tiny sliver of our student population. Ma'am, that's an equity problem. That is a social justice problem. I'm not denying the existence of racism in the world. I'm not denying that there may be issues with white supremacy and dismantling those things. What I'm telling you is that your opportunities to answer the call for equity lay right before you, in your classroom, at your school, in your district. So pick up my book, Ruthless Equity, Disrupting the Status Quo and Ensuring Learning for All Students.